بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope all well good. I am missing you, my shining stars. अल्लाह ताला से उम्मीद करती हूँ इंशाअल्लाह बहुत जल्द अपने तमाम बच्चों से स्कूल में मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हम सबको अपनी अमान में रखे, आमीन। Students, again I am here to teach you social studies. Students, are you enjoying my classes? Enjoying? Okay, students. Today we will write. Okay? Today we will write the questions and answers of unit number 1. As you know, we have discussed the topics of unit number 1, which was about myself and families. And today we will write the questions and answers of unit number 1. So open your book, page number 4. Okay, students, this is page number 4 and these are the questions. Okay, we have 4 questions in this unit, which is unit number 1. In unit number 1, our first question is, who is the youngest person in the Ali family? Anybody knows about the youngest person in the Ali family? Yes, Yasir is the youngest in the Ali's family. This is the answer and we discussed this topic. Okay. Next question is, how many cousins does Mahmood have? How many cousins does Mahmood have? कौन बताएगा? Yes, सबको पता है. Wow, good. Mahmood has 2 cousins, Anam and Yasir. Yes, answer is correct. Okay, third question is, how many aunts and uncles does Anam have? किसी को पता है आंसर का? Yes, answer is Anam has 1 aunt and 1 uncle. Anam has 1 aunt and uncle. This is the answer of question number 3rd. And now we have question number 4. What are their names? Anam's uncle and aunt names. So the answer, who knows the answer? You all knows. Wow, good. It means that the topic is clear to you all. The answer of 4th one question is, their names are, बताओ, Tahmina and Imran. Yes, Tahmina and Imran. हो गया, ये आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं और अब हम रिटन वर्क की तरफ जाते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, रिटन वर्क स्टार्ट करने से पहले you will take out your social study notebook. Okay, take out your notebook, your pencil, ruler and eraser. Clear? Students, and now we will start the written work, but before writing I would like to tell you about the method, that how you will start written work. I have written all the questions answers on this page and you will write this in your neat notebook now. Okay, so open your social study neat notebook, take out your pencil, ruler and eraser. Clear? Have you opened? Okay, now you draw margin line here. Look at this. आपने नोटबुक खोली है, पेज खोल के एक मार्जिन लाइन यहाँ पे इस तरह पेज बनाना है, and the second margin line you will draw here. Okay, these are the margin lines. Okay, लगा लिया. Okay, after this you will write here on the top social studies, and here you will write date. In first line you will write social studies here, and here you will write date, and then you will write the correct date, that on which date you are writing in your neat notebook. Clear? Next you will write here in next line unit number 1. As you know, we are writing the question answers of unit number 1, so you will write in next line unit number 1. Okay, write very neat and without any mistake. Clear? Okay, now next line, in next line you will write topic. Look at the spelling, write the correct spelling very neatly. Topic, and the topic is myself and my family. Topic is myself and my family. Topic is myself and my family. Now students, write in next line questions, then answers. Write like this. Questions and answers. Shabash. Questions, answers. In book page number 4, we have question number 1. And question number 1 is in your book page number 4. First question is, who is the youngest person in the Ali family? You know about the answer. Who will tell me? We have discussed now. Okay, yes. Who is the youngest person in the Ali family? Yes, correct. Very good. Answer is Yasir is the youngest in Ali's family. Write the answer. Shabash. Answer. Answer number first is Yasir. Look at the spelling. Is the youngest in Ali's family. लिख लिया सबने? क्लियर? रेज योर हैंड्स. किस किसने लिखा है? ओके गुड, सबने लिखा है भाई. नीट नीट लिखना है. ओके ओके. आफ्टर राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन, if you have done the answer, okay, you will draw double ending line like this. Look at these lines. Okay, look at these lines. You will draw double ending line, and it means your first question, first answer is finished. Now question number second, and you will write question number second here, then you will start the question. Question number second is, how many cousins does Mahmood have? How? Look at the spelling. H-O-W. You will write H capital, then O and W. Many cousins. Cousins. C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Cousins. Look at the spelling. Right? Correct spelling. Okay? Does Mahmood have? How many cousins Mahmood have, students? You know, and you have given me the answer. Yes, Mahmood has 2 cousins, Anam and Yasir. Mahmood, this is the second answer. Look at the spelling. M-A-H-M-O-O-D. Mahmood has 2 cousins, Anam and Yasir. This is the second answer, and when you will write the second answer, then you will draw double ending lines here. It means that your second question is finished. Clear? Now we will write question number third, and question number third is this one. Write question number third, and question number third is, how many aunts and uncles does Anam have? How many aunts and uncles does Anam have? Who will tell me? Yes, you all knows about the answer. Very good. Okay. You will write the question, how many aunts and uncles does Anam have? And answer you will write like this. Answer, you will write, Anam has 1 aunt and uncle. Anam has 1 aunt and uncle. Done? हो गया? सबने लिखा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर? वेरी गुड. आफ्टर the writing of question number 3 answer, you will draw double ending line here like this. Okay, in next line you will write double ending line after the writing of question number 3. ओके स्टूडेंट, सब ने लिखा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर? गुड, वेरी गुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर है Anam has one aunt and uncle. Anam has one aunt and uncle. Done? हो गया? Have you wrote? Okay. Now you will draw double ending line like this. Look at this. These are the double ending lines. Now I will turn the page and here we have question number 4. On next page we have question number 4. Okay, so question number 4 is, what are their names? It means that Anam's aunt and uncle names. Okay, so we will write the names of Anam aunt and uncle here. Question is, what are their names? Done? लिख लिया? Okay. Answer है, their names are Tehmeena and Imran. Question number 4th answer is, their names are Tehmeena. Look at the spelling. Tehmina. Tehmeena and Imran. After the answer, you will draw double ending lines here. Look at the page. Okay? Done? सबने कर लिया? सबने नीट करना है. I'll check it. Okay students? And I hope you all have done it. नीट लिख ले और कोई मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. स्पेलिंग भी चेक कर ले और लिखने के बाद एक दफ़ा अपने स्पेलिंग्स और राइटिंग चेक कर ले. कहीं पे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. किसी को भी मसला हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. हम आपके लिए हाजिर हैं हर टाइम. आपका जो भी मसला होगा तो कोशिश करेंगे कि वो मसला आपका हल हो जाए. और जो भी क्वेश्चन हो तो आपने हमें क्वेश्चन करके पूछ लेना है. हम आपका फीडबैक का इंतज़ार करेंगे. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ हाजिर होंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.